This is the Sundpey 267-piece toolkit with a drill, 21-volt drill inside of here. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It arrived safe. It basically just arrived in a box, just like this. So this is going to be your basic around-the-house repair kit. Probably not something for the trades, though there might be a few things in here you can throw into your toolkit if you work construction. Has some literature with it, gives you some specs and other stuff in there you might want to check out. So the kit comes in a sturdy plastic case with a molded interior. And this one actually has a drawer inside that also has a molded interior, so that each tool has its own place inside of there. The weak spot on these types of cases is usually the handle and the clips, but these don't feel too bad. There are also cutouts on either side of these, so you can pick it up with two hands if you want to move it around that way. The case is about 15 inches long, 13 inches wide, and about 7 inches tall. With all the tools in it, it weighs in at around 17.5 pounds. Not too bad. Another cool feature I like is that the drawer is entirely removable. This makes it way easier to access what you're looking for inside of there. Like I said before, it has pretty much everything you're going to need for small to medium jobs around the house. There's a 21-volt cordless power drill with a 21-volt 2-amp-hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery and charger. Charger has about a 3-foot-long cable on it. When you're charging the battery, which you do by plugging it in right here, the light on this charger will turn red while it's charging, and it'll turn green when it's completely finished. And it takes about an hour and a half to fully charge a dead battery. So going around the kit here, we have a metric Allen wrench set that's about 1.5 through 6, I believe. We have one of these things that you can throw into a drill so you can, hit a hard spot. We got a box cutter. We have some different drill bits for wood and plastic. We have some Phillips head, some flathead, a few Torx bits. We have a socket adapter here. All of these can be used with this driver or the drill. By the way, all the tools in here are made from, I believe, polypropylene, and we have thermoplastic rubber handles, which actually feel pretty good. So you saw the driver with Phillips head, flathead. We have a small flathead, small Phillips head. We have an adjustable wrench. We have a hammer. You can see this in the size of my hand. It's a smaller hammer, like I said, around the house toolkit. We have a ratchet, push button ratchet. You got your gear forward and reverse right here. We have some needle nose pliers. These actually feel really good in my hands. I like these stoppers right here. That's just me. Some combination pliers. We have a 5/8 inch socket. We have a socket adapter. A set of metric sockets here. I believe this is 10 through 19. 10-foot tape measure. We have some metric wrenches. We got 8, 10, 12, 13, 14. Just giving you a little kit with some anchors in here, wall anchors for hanging up stuff around the house. This little kit's kind of cool. I do a lot of guitar work and I take apart electronics. There's a lot of really small Torx bits and stuff in here that come in handy for that, and a nice little handle driver for that. I like that. Weak spot on this is right here, these little clasps. Still a nice kit to have in there. Obviously the charger. All right, we're back to the cordless drill. This is a great size, weight, and feel for me. I love the textured handle with the rubber all over the place. Makes it easy to grip and hold. And it's light enough for longer overhead jobs if I got to hold this thing over my head for a long period of time. At 21 volts, it's more than enough power for me around the house for stuff like wood, plastic, whatever. You can see there's a little LED light that lights up when you pull the trigger. Actually more handy than I thought it would be. We have a plastic keyless chuck on here that fits bits up to 3/8 of an inch. It's got 2 speed settings on it. We have setting 1 and speed setting 2. Setting 1 goes from 0 to 350 RPMs. And setting 2 goes from 0 to 1350 RPMs. There are 25 different torque settings on here, which is great for making sure you don't drill too deep or making sure you don't strip out any screws. And of course you can set it to full drill settings, so 25 plus 1. So a kit like this would be great for homeowners, renters, DIY enthusiasts, handymen. Obviously great for household chores and home improvement stuff. Furniture repair, appliance installation, just basically anything you're doing around the house. Very nice.